Hey guys, it's Alexis, Sophia Leather. I am driving, I'm doing a driving vlog. I'm trying this out. I got this new suction mount for my windshield on the inside, and I have my very expensive camera on there, and I'm pretty hesitant to use it or to even buy it, but it's working really good. I watched a couple of reviews. It's the Deco triple mount hard suction majigger jagger, and it's perfect for my camera. So let me know how this looks. But I wanted to let you guys know, wow, my cruise control, hold on. I wanted to let you guys know that I'm gonna be offering a discount or sale price on my Firefighter kits, specific colors though, and that is gonna be the natural color, which looks like, it basically looks like veggie tan leather. It's the Latigo, their new Latigo, the Wicked and Craig new Latigo that I use for everything, but nobody really buys a natural color, so I'm going to offer that on a steep discount, as well as the navy color. I have a navy. I haven't made one kit yet. I think I sold one kit of the navy, but I haven't actually put together a navy pair of suspenders or a radio strap. So I'm just curious to see what that looks like. So I'm probably going to offer the olive color, navy color, and the natural color discount. So links are going to be in the description. It's going to be on sale for those kits for suspenders and radio straps, and as well as the chin strap and glove strap kit. So that's going to be on sale, so check it out down there. I'm not taking any orders as far as actually straps or suspenders, because radio straps or suspenders, because I'm slap busy right now with real estate as well as orders. You know, I'm barely gonna make Christmas right now with the orders I have pending. So I'm not taking any orders probably until after Christmas. If you guys are really interested in some gear, let me know, but I cannot promise that you'll get it before Christmas. But you're not going to be able to buy it online because it's out of stock. But if you really want one, you can actually just sign up for the out of stock waiting list. It's on there on the bottom, and you'll just be notified when it's in stock, and then you can purchase. But I'm expecting to be back in stock probably the new year. So January, I'll be back in stock and taking orders. But if you really want one, just let me know and I can take your money, and you'll just be, I won't even touch yours until January probably. So just giving you a heads up on that. And that's all I got for you. Let me know how this video looks. This camera mount's probably gonna stay on my windshield for the most part, because I'm doing a lot of real estate videos. You guys should check that out over there. Where is it? I don't know. Somewhere up there, my other channel with my wife. I'm starting to put a lot of driving videos. This is why I got this mount. It's because I face it forward out of the windshield, and I do some driving tours of Ocala for people that have never been here. That's all I got for you. My camera battery's about to die, and this was really long and unnecessary. But whatever. Talk to you guys later. God bless you. Bye. Let me turn this off and not get in an accident.